Hey YouTube. Hey y'all. You know, the last video I was feeling real blue. Feeling not as blue, like not like a navy blue, more like a light blue. But today is cleaning day. It's Sunday, cleaning day. So we clean on Sundays. As you can see, the house is still a mess. We got clothes. You don't want to see the car. That's just the crib. You don't want to see the van part. Oh, it's bad. It's bad. But we are at our favorite laundromat. Don't ask me why it's our favorite, but it is. It's the La Lavanderia. Ting. But yeah, we are at our favorite laundromat, and we're about to get it in. So yeah, let's do this shit. I don't know how we're gonna do this shit, but we're gonna do this shit. All right. Okay. Gotta get our money for the laundry. And we just bought some laundry soap. Got a good ass deal. We got a good ass deal on laundry soap today. So good. So we got some Arm & Hammer. Buy one, get one free. And this is not a sponsorship, unless you want to, Arm & Hammer. Ting. But yeah, they had buy one get one. I think they did that because they didn't want me to steal. But at our favorite laundromat. But we about to get it together. So come with me, guys. Come with me. Let's see. We're gonna get y'all like. I hope y'all can see me. All right, so we're just gonna get this on out of here. Get our soap and stuff. Titties just swing. Oh damn. Can't have y'all on that. Don't mind me, I don't have on a bra. We just got our titties swinging. Yeah, we do. Get our laundry soap here. Got a couple drying sheets. Keep this other one in there. I don't think we got that many wipes. What I will do, this is my favorite pillow. Titties. My titties. So, we're going to watch this one because I noticed my face been breaking out. And I don't know what the hell going on. And I'm going to watch this one too. Because this is the one I sleep with all the time. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go get a basket. Put all this shit in the basket. Ooh. I guess I'll take y'all with me. Gonna get a handy dandy basket. That's right.